Good morning, my dear children. Last day we learned about the structure of plant cell and animal cell. We know that body of each living organism is made up of a cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of our life. But in this lesson we can say the different organs of our body is different in shape and function. For example, eye, nose, ear, tongue, these are different types of organs, but you can identify which part is your eye, which is your nose, which is your eye. So these are different but made up of a cell. What is the reason for this difference in the organs that present in our body? In this lesson we are going to discuss about it. In our body different types of cells are there. For example, in our school you can see principal is there, teachers, then driver, school bus driver is there, office staff is there, but we can see that they are sitting in different places and doing different work. Like that, cells are of different types and they are different in their structure and function. And now we are going to see what are tissues. These cells of same type of cells forms the tissue. They are doing a same function and they have a same origin. They have same origin and doing same type of function. That type of cells grouped together to form tissue. Then in our body there are different types of tissues. For example, muscle cell. Then muscle cells grouped together to form our muscles. We can see muscles are connected to the bones. Bones are made up of another type of cell, that is bone cell. Blood is made up of different type of cells. Blood cells are of different type, white blood cells and red blood cells. And skin cell is there, and like that minimum 200 different types of cells are present in our body. And skin is made up of another type of tissue. That tissue is called epithelial tissue. Like that you can see different types of cells and tissues in our body. Now we learned what is cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. And tissues. Tissues are same type of cells grouped together to perform a single function. Function is same but different groups forms in tissues. Same type of cells. For example, muscle cell, same type of muscle cell grouped together to form muscle tissue. Epithelial tissue in skin, epithelial tissue. Like that different tissues are there. Now we are going to see another function, that is differentiation. Okay, then we know that our body originates from a single cell and the name of that cell is zygote. How is the formation of zygote? Zygote formed by the fusion of male and female gamete. After that what happens? this zygote divides. One cell divides into 2. 2 again multiply into 4, 8. Like that it multiplies in number and increases in size. It forms as a group of cell. These are partially differentiated cells. These are not separated into nerve cell, muscle cell, brain, like that. As next step, what happens? These cells converted to different types of cells like a nerve cell, muscle cell, blood cell, skeletal cell, like different types of cell. And this process of converting this partially differentiated cell or fetus into differentiated cell is called a differentiation. Next we are going to see what is stem cell. Stem cells are specialized cells, and these specialized cells later converted to different types of cells or stem cell. Some stem cells remains like a stem cell, and some stem cells converted into another cells like a nerve cell, muscle cells, etc. We know that from a single stem cell of this blood cell, scientist is making blood vessel. Like that, from a single cell in laboratory, scientist is converting that into body part. For example, in liver cell, one stem cell should be there. Then if they get one stem cell of liver, they can make liver. Okay, these are stem cells. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.